Well, hello everyone. I am Derek.
And I'm Salanda.
And welcome back to our channel.
We be tripping.
And listen, I've been a little sick yesterday, so it was kind of rough for me. So I'm ready. We're ready to do the recap. So this is day 24 of 53 days at sea. We were back in Malaga, Spain. Okay. So the last time we was there, we went to Picasso, to the Picasso Museum. So this time we wanted to go to the Alcazaba Fortress. Okay, so we caught a taxi downtown, and we was trying to go. We wanted the taxi to bring us up into the mountains to the fortress, and that's what we thought we were paying for, because the taxi ride is only $10 to downtown. Well, we were charged $20, and again we thought we thought the taxi driver was taking us up into the mountains to the fortress, and he did not. So he basically got an extra $10 out of us, and let me see. And he seemed to be. Of course, there was a language barrier, but he was telling us about somebody died on the ship. You know, that's what he was telling us about.
We passed a hearse, and he was trying to tell us they took a body off the ship that morning.
So could have been a distraction while he was charging an extra $10. But anyway, so taxi ride was $20. Dropped us off downtown so we could walk across the street and walk to the Alcazaba Fortress. Now, you have the Alcazaba Fortress, and you have the Roman theater that's right next to it. And the fortress now is huge. You know, like I'm saying, maybe like close to a mile long or whatever. You know, so it's two ways that you could enter. You could walk up from the beginning, or you can go around the corner and catch the elevator up. So we, first of all, how much was it? It was 10
for me and a discounted rate of $5 for Derek.
Yeah, so we went around and caught the elevator, and it took us up to the middle, to the first floor, and we were able to look out and see. It was a great view, but there still was, you can go higher, and we didn't go higher because we couldn't figure out how to get over where the other people was, and we found out later that you had to go back to the beginning and walk it in order to get to where they were. Now, what did you think about the fortress?
I wouldn't want to do it again.
Yeah, I thought that it seemed like a maze. You know, because it's like you go into a bunch of one rooms that don't lead to anything. So you go in and look, and then turn around. You got to go out and go to the room next to it. You know, it wasn't. You know, I don't know, something was wrong there. But anyway, then we went to the Roman theater that was right next door. We ended up seeing bones from the Byzantine Empire. They had bones on display, laid out a grave that they had discovered, and we asked them, was it real bones? Told us, yeah, it was real bones. So that was I thought that was different, and it showed us about like the ruins that they have, and they have a active like video 3D thing where they show you like exactly like if it was a column, it showed you where the column would have been in the actual theater. What do you think about that? No? Anyway.
It was all right, but the bones that we saw, the guy in the museum, he said that those bones was taken out of the roof of the...
Yeah. As if they would bury the people in the roof of the house or whatever. Yeah. But yeah, that's what they were saying. So then we went to the Malaga Cathedral. And let me tell you something, in Spain, they're really serious about these cathedrals.
Right.
Because this thing was huge, and it was nice. It wasn't as impressive, I don't think, as the one in Cadiz. But it was still impressive, and I'm really looking forward to going to Rome and checking out their cathedral. So and the cathedral was how much?
It was
It was free for me.
It was free for you.
Yeah, discount
It was
free.
$10 for me.
And $10 for salon. Okay. All right. We ended up walking around the streets, and we ended up eating at a little corner store or something. Authentic Iberian sandwich. That's what we had. We had some type of shoulder. I don't know what the meat was. I didn't recognize it hanging up in the store, but it wasn't bad. But I mean, is it something that you would want to eat again?
No, and it wasn't. Excuse me, it wasn't bad, but it's just nothing that I look forward to eating again.
It kind of gave me like hog head cheese, tough hog head cheese, or something like that.
I didn't get that.
Yeah. Yeah. Anyway, you can. What would you rate it?
Maybe a 6.
Maybe a 6. Okay, I'll go with that. It wasn't bad. It wasn't nasty. That's what
It wasn't nasty.
Yeah.
But it's not nothing that I want.
Mm-hmm. So then we were doing a lot of walking around. We tried the Fanta blueberry and the raspberry
zero.
And what did you think about that?
Mine was good.
Mine was good too.
To say I don't like different flavor sodas.
Yeah. Yeah.
It was pretty good.
Yeah, it was good. It was good. You remember how much that was?
No, I don't.
Hold on, let me see something. And also, let me say this. Oh, I thought I had the euros. I don't have them. Okay. Anyway, I forgot them. But we tried salt and vinegar, some salt and vinegar chips out the store, and that was I think I don't know. They probably they stole a recipe or something, like something wasn't right, but that wasn't good at all.
It tastes the same way to me.
No, it didn't. No, it didn't. No, it didn't. That wasn't good at all. I don't know what I don't know. That wasn't good. But then we left there, and we ended up doing a lot of walking around the city, and we ended up walking back to the port. What you laughing at?
No, we sat in a square. What that area was? We sat on the bench.
Oh yeah. We sat where they had the statue at. Go ahead and tell them the story.
Don't skip it.
Go ahead and tell them the story. Now, when we was recapping about what we did, she never mentioned that part. But go ahead. I know how you saved it. Go ahead. Tell them people what happened.
Don't skip it.
Tell them people what happened. I almost got pickpocketed.
No, you ain't almost get pickpocketed.
Yes,
you
I
almost
did.
gave it away. We got up off the bench
Same thing.
to start walking, and a man running behind us. We looked back to see what he want. He have Derek meta glasses. He left him on a bench. He wanted to give him away.
Well, the reason why I left him on the bench because you rushed me to leave. Because if I'd have took my time, I would have gathered all my stuff that was around me. But by you rushing me, that's how I ended up leaving it.
Tell me anything.
And he could have gave it to me discreetly. He didn't have to give it to me. Yeah, he didn't have to do it like that.
He didn't have to give it to you at all.
Yeah, he didn't. He didn't. I kind of, if I'd have known you know what I'm saying, with what you had to say, I kind of wish you would have just kept it. I could have just blamed somebody else. Anyway, so what else we did?
We walked around, just walked.
Yeah. You didn't lose anything?
I didn't lose anything.
Okay, all right. Gotta really think. So, that was it. After that, we walked back to the port, and back on the ship. So everything was,
The weather wasn't as good as it was Tuesday.
Yeah.
Was it Tuesday?
No, I thought the weather was pretty good.
No, it was kind of cool. It was in some
It
areas.
might have been a
it was
little bit
real
cool, yeah. Yeah.
When we was till Tuesday, you had to take your sweater off. It was real warm.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was kind of cool.
Yeah. So, but yeah, it was a great day. So, what would you rate Malaga?
I think I'll give it about an 8.
About an 8. Why 8?
I wish I would have planned the day better.
Yeah, but that was the plan. That was our plan. That's what we were going to do.
But whenever I always have something else because I didn't like the castle.
Okay, all right.
And we didn't have, after that, we just walked around. We really didn't have anything else. I should have had something else planned.
Yeah.
Because the castle wasn't, it didn't do it for me.
Yeah. And even with the Roman theater, that was different. It couldn't compare to the other theater that we saw. I forget where we was at, where we saw that other theater. The other theater was nice. You know, so yeah. Was that in Barcelona? No. Wasn't in Barcelona. Yeah.
No.
But anyway, so yeah, I mean that's about it, right?
That's about it.
So until next time, keep tripping.